actually watching the basketball game and enjoying. But I'm also listening to Robert Kiyosaki, right? And let me switch my screen over. Robert Kiyosaki and how the new tax codes affect your wealth and your business, right? How the new tax code affects your wealth and your business. So let me just hit play for you.
This is that if you've read anything from Rich Dad, you know the tax laws favor the rich. So if you have any communist or socialist bones in your body, this would be a very good program for you to listen to. Because if your mommy and daddy told you to go to school and get a job, you're going to find out mommy and daddy misguided you. Because if you have a job and you're an employee, you're going to get screwed even more while this new tax changes favor the rich. And I mean the rich. So it's a very important program. I don't care where you live throughout the world. This program and our new President Trump, I know some of you love him, some of you hate him, but the rich love him right now because he has structurally changed the tax laws for the rich, but he's not structurally changed the tax laws for those of you who work for money. So this is a very important program because taxes are your number one expense. And you're going to find out why people like myself make a lot more money and pay almost nothing in taxes legally. Very important program. Your number one expense, taxes, regardless where you live in the world. I know some of you are probably cheating the government, but you don't have to do that. Because you're going to find out the government and the tax laws really favor the rich, but they don't favor crooks. So if you're skimming the government, please, this is not your program. You've got to.
All right, so get back to my basketball game. Like he said, if you're scheming the government, it's not for you. This is not for people that's crook, not for people that's trying to carry dependents on their income tax. They're really not their dependents. These are legal ways, right? Because the new tax laws, and it's been like this for a while, but Trump has tweaked some things, and it's been like, always, if you're a business owner, you already know that the tax laws are written for you. So learn how to do the first step of what you need to do. I know a lot of people focus on making more income, but focus on keeping more of the money that you're already making, right? Focus on keeping more of the money that you're already making. Learn how to keep that money before you get your credit fixed, to get a new car, or to even get, if I could do it over again, I probably would just pay less in my mortgage and rent and buy more real estate, invest the income so I can get the dream house that I always wanted and not just a first house, right? So before you get your credit, because if you're trying to get your credit repaired, your debt to income ratio is going to have to first decrease. And the only way that's going to decrease is if you first have more positive cash flow, right? You bring home more money out your paycheck. Now you can use that money toward the debt elimination plan. So learn how to utilize these strategies. Again, it's not for crooks. It's not anything crooked. But before you get yourself in a situation where you're trying to make more money, get more money out of what you're already earning so you can have extra money to invest in the business that you want to do. So I don't care what business venture you're in. If you're in one, great.